Let's crochet this bright star. It's easy, beginner friendly, and every stitch is clearly visible. Let's start. All materials and abbreviations are listed in the description below. We start with the magic ring. Chain 3, this count as our first double crochet. Now we will make 14 double crochets into the magic ring. When you have 14 double crochets, join the round with a slip stitch into the top of chain 3. Now we start the second round and crochet the star points. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochets together, yarn over, and insert your hook into the first stitch. Pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. This makes 2 double crochets together. Chain 2 to make a picot. Insert your hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. This completes one star point. Let's make the second star point the same way. Chain 2, 2 double crochets together, chain 2 to make picot, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat the sequence 3 more times. cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. Thank you for crocheting with me. See you in the next video.